Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Ahmed Rashidun Baidip from Group B. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable teacher for giving us the opportunity to give presentation on measuring heartbeat, blood pressure and body temperature using Arduino Uno. Let's have a look on the slide. We can see two different oscilloscope and two different heartbeat pattern in that oscilloscope. Now the question is why these two heartbeat pattern look so different from each other. If we want to know the answer, we have to go to the previous slide. We used this heartbeat sensor in our project. To measure the heartbeat rate, there is a pin called test pin that should be attached to human body. As we do simulation, we use this potentiometer or variable resistor called pot HG instead of human body. If we change the value of potentiometer, heartbeat pattern and rate will be changed. Now go to this slide. For the first picture, if we change the value of potentiometer to 40%, as a result, the heartbeat rate will slower. And for the second picture, if we change the value to potentiometer to 80%, the heartbeat rate will faster. Now go to the next slide. Here is a data table for pot Ag is equal to 80%. We can see after 1 second we got 2 heartbeat, after 2 seconds we got 4 heartbeat, after 3 seconds we got 5 heartbeat, after 5 seconds we got 9, after 7 seconds we got 12, and lastly after 10 seconds we got 15 heartbeat in the LED. And then if we multiply the current heartbeat with 6, then we will get 90 heartbeat per minute. So for 80% pot Hg, heartbeat per minute is 90. Now go to the next slide. In the first point, we have an equation. By this equation, we can get the heart rate. The second point is if we increase the value of pot Hg, heartbeat rate will be faster. We have already discussed about the second point. The third point is if the voltage is increased, then the heart rate will decrease. Yes, as the variable resistor acts as a voltage divider producing a continuously variable voltage output signal which is proportional to the physical region. So, if the voltage is increased, then the heart rate will decrease, and if the voltage is decreased, then the heart rate will increase. The fourth point is measure the blood pressure and the body temperature. We have also measured the blood pressure and the body temperature in this project. When we clicked the button attached to pin number 6, we got the result in the virtual terminal. Now go to the next slide. I will end my discussion with this slide. First of all, comparison between simulation and experimental results. Always there are differences between simulation and experimental results. The experimental results are based on real-time system. On the other hand, simulation is the limitation of the operation of a real-world process. Second point. We faced some problem with the pressure sensor as we did not find any sensor that can measure the blood pressure, but after that we used BMP 180, which is an atmospheric sensor, and in the end we successfully converted it to blood pressure unit. Lastly, we have had some problems in the circuit diagram and programming implementation part, but in the end we successfully overcome all the problems. That's all from my part. Now my next group member will discuss the impact of this project on society.